Hey, Rita.
Hey, Daryl.
What do you want to do today?
I want to head to Florida, to Sanibel Island. Get there by Tuesday. Do you think we can do it?
We can try.
All right.
All right, I guess we'll head to Florida. Sure didn't expect this morning when I got up. Very foggy in here. We had the doors open loading the luggage.
Hello. Hello, hello. Back of the truck is full.
Yep.
Good thing we're not taking any children with us.
Definitely wouldn't be room. Guess you'd make room.
We would have done something.
Put them in the bed and let them ride back there.
We have arrived in Tennessee. Lots of construction going on. Ended with the construction as I'm talking at mile marker 120. But here's a look at the traffic. And of course the sign saying there's a Cracker Barrel nearby. They have good food. I like their pinto beans and cornbread. Just passing the way station in, just entering Tennessee. So we'll be back a little later. Having a great time so far. And it's only been an hour and a half or so since we left home. Well, we are approaching Nashville. You can see it in the distance there. We're headed for the Chattanooga exit once we get on past Nashville. We've been on the road 2 hours and 20 minutes, so we're making good time. And traffic was busy before we got to the Briley Parkway, and things are definitely slowing down now. Or they were, and they're kind of building back up again. But everything is going well. Brake lights, of course. But we'll head on to Chattanooga in a bit. We're enjoying the ride.
We think that's the express lane over there.
Way over there where that retaining wall is.
Where that wall is.
The other side of the short retaining wall.
They have an express lane here, and they charge to use it, but you can apparently drive really, really fast. I guess. Get there quicker. This is our first stop for gas. It's in Manchester, Tennessee. It's 227.9. I think I'll show a close up here on the pump. Yeah, 227.9. What, 20 miles from Chattanooga?
Yep.
And we're come to a complete stop here on the interstate.
We're just kind of hanging out here, moving slowly.
Driving, she's doing 4 miles an hour.
Yep.
We made it to Georgia. We're on the road to Athens, correct?
To Athens, Georgia, but we're on 75.
Right. I determined that we needed a garbage bag, but we just ate a candy bar. So I didn't know where to put the garbage bag, so I started to put it here, and I thought, no, that won't work. That'll look rednecky, plus you can't see out the windshield or the mirror. So that's not going to work. So I decided to put it right there in the floor. Perfect spot.
And the Hershey bar was good. I just had 3 little pieces of it, and he had the rest of it.
Well,
Hit the spot.
You didn't have to tell him that.
North or in Atlanta, somewhere around there on 285.
Yeah.
Looking for exit 33.
A lot of building going on. The cranes over there. There's a new bridge they're putting in. Overhead. We'll look for our exit, see if we can find it and not miss it. All for now. A lot going on at this expressway. These overpasses and underpasses.
Getting ready to merge on
Curves.
85.
We're way up high. A lot going on at that intersection. Wow. Okay, we're in Athens, Georgia at Fat's Southern Kitchen. And we're meeting one of Rita's
Previous coworkers.
previous coworkers.
As we travel through here, we've noticed that there are lots of pine trees. One thing that's been amazing is the pine trees look like they had limbs and then they fell off, but whether they were trimmed, but we're not real sure. We kind of think maybe it's just nature's way of letting the trees grow taller. I think maybe nature just takes care of pruning those trees down low. But it's been really pretty driving through these back roads of Georgia. We're on the way to Savannah after visiting a friend in Athens, Georgia.
Fast driver. There he goes.
Somebody just had to get around us.
Another fast driver.
Another one's passing us. Yep, another one passed us really quick. But everybody's safe. They're in a hurry. They've got to either go and play with their bike that they were hauling, or they got to get home for supper because they had a busy day playing with their ATV.
That's day one of our Florida trip. We'll be spending the night in Georgia, and we'll be back with you in the morning.